Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday. We're going to continue practicing our letters and sounds today. In our first activity, we're going to do our vowel extension chart. So we're going to say the letter, say the vowel. We're going to hold that sound until we get to the picture card. I'll do the first one. A, apple. You try. The next one. E, ed. You try. I, itch. You try. O, octopus. You try. And the last one, U, up. You try. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it a little faster. You ready? A, apple. E, ed. I, itch. O, octopus. U, up. Good job, boys and girls. In this activity, we're going to do our roller coaster. And when we start, that's the beginning sound of the word. The top of the roller coaster is the vowel, and then we're gonna come down to the end for the ending sound. So watch me, I'm gonna do one. The word is six. S, ix, six. Try it again. S, ix, six. The next one, bag. Say bag. B-ag. Bag. Do it again. B-ag. Bag. Good. The next one, dig. Say dig. D-ig. Dig. One more time. D-ig. Dig. The next one, mat. Can you say mat? At. Mat. One more time. At. Mat. And the last one, pack. Say pack. P-ack. Pack. One more time. P-ack. Pack. Great job listening for the beginning, the middle, and the end of each word. Our next activity, we're going to do two things in one. We're going to do our rhyming words, and then we're going to chop out each sound and then blend them back together. So let's work on our it family rhyming words first. We have sit, pit, kit, bit, hit. Let's do it again. Sit, pit, kit, bit, hit. You try. Say the words. Great job. Now we're going to go through all the words and we're going to chop out the three sounds and then blend them back together. Watch me. S, it, sit. You try. Good. Pit. P, it, pit. You try. The next one, kit. K, it, kit. You try. Good. Bit. I go. B, it, bit. You try. And the last one, hit. It, hit. Try it again. Great job, boys and girls. In our next activity, we're going to go over our large sound cards, and we're going to do the letter, the sound, and the picture. Okay, so let's start. C, cat, k. You go. L, lamp, l. J, jug, j. H, hat, h. R, rat, r. P, pan, p. Y, yellow, y. W, wind, w. S, snake, s. Excellent job, boys and girls. Let's finish up today with Hickory Dickory Dock. I'll do it one time with some hand movements, and then I want you to practice too. Ready? Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down, Hickory Dickory Dock. And you try it with me this time. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down, Hickory Dickory Dock. Good job, boys and girls. I'll see you tomorrow.